I now welcome General Lubantu Olomiza, as I say, leader of United Democratic Movement and Deputy Minister. Jenene, siyakubongela, welcome to Kakasi.
Siyabonga baba, siyabonga nakubaphulaphula.
Well,
Indoni problem yakho.
Congratulations, you celebrated your 70th birthday a couple of days ago.
Oh yeah, on faithful. Because 7 long yo.
Yeah.
No thetha ukuza kudifferent kodwa ukothuka ngumuntu omdala.
Yeah. No, siyakubongela.
As the Makanyas, we would like to take this opportunity to address.
So being umuntu Jenene, you ran Transkei, you've been Jenene from an early age, and now Sugule Department of Defense and Military Veteran. Are you umuntu we humor as well? Because all we see is when Sigbone uyilunga le parliament, and then now Sugu executive. Umuntu we humor vele.
Ihuma isilungu ungaboqoko ukubhanza isizulu nesilungu uzawubhidisa abantu.
Ngifuna ukuzwa kahle.
Xa uthi humor uthini ngesizulu?
Umuntu wamanqoko, umuntu wamahlaya.
Relax, young man. What's your serious question?
The question is, we saw the other side of you as we celebrate 70 years, which was 70 years. So, South Africans.
I demand unless
it's always good to see politicians that we always see be serious in this instance. The portfolio, a military veteran in defense. To see the other side of you. Look who's laughing.
No, you're right, Mchakazi. On a serious note, in South Africa. South African and in that I found this was the politicians of South Africa, or Tambo, or Mandela, or Ngosi, Ngosi Buthelezi, Ndobakasti Bene, as steady politics as human beings.
Right.
That culture, we have to respect it and see it poo-poo, to make sure ukuthi iyaqhubeleka, because yiyo ebangela ukuba kubekho istability eSouth Africa, kungabikho into zoba high low i-opponent and so on. So la culture yoba xa sithetha ngento zesizwe sibe non-partisan,
right,
iyasinceda as opposed to be a partisan, not no ndimele i-ideology ethile, ndimele iparty yam, ndimele ipoint ethile. So iyasinceda loo nto leyo, and I hope each generation to come will emulate that style and siqhube. That's what describes South Africa. Yiyo le nto ibangele into yoba oomadiba, for instance, xa bezephethe bakwazi ukuthi President Clinton awuzukwazi xa ulapho uzosixelela uba mayibe ngobani ii-friends zethu. USA awuzusixelela ukuthi mayibe ngobani ii-friends zethu, thina sine-choice. Isebenzile loo nto leyo. So
sure. Yes. Now, Deputy Minister now, and South Africa sine government of national unity, and isimo siyashintsha kwipolitiki. You are known, your famous line nje kweparlamente bekuye ukuthi the babantu be-ANC ububuye babize ngamasela, and then now at the opposition now senisebenza ndawonye. If reflector as someone okade eseparlamente for isikhathi eside, now so deputy minister, you serve with abantu be-DA, with abantu be-ANC, there is even a member ye-PAC there. Abantu bayibuka ngendlela ehlukene. So looking as umuntu okade vele eseparlamente, is this really working though? I mean, 1 year later.
It's working because your choice, your political party, maybe to ANC ngamasela untonto nambize ngoba abanga untonto. Isebenza like a bomb because he underlying decision, voters as South Africa, as care, sifune hulmente wentando yeninzi, that is majority government. Sifuna uhulmente ozokuthi axubane nezinye i-political parties.
Right.
It's no longer a language, one party state. So that's why ke ngoku uzawufumanisa ukuthi lo bumbiza ngoba lisela, lo bumbuza ngoba yintoni lo umhlwembe, lo beyi-apartheid intoni what. If voters said IFP, UDM, ANC, PAC, DA, sifuna nisebenze noyi-2, asila choice.
Sure. Yes. Last week, I interviewed National Chairman we IFP, and I posed the same question ngizoyibuza nakuwena Deputy Minister. Julius Malema, leader we EFF, he believes uthi i-advice angayinika ama-political parties amanye awokuthi angavumi ukuba invited ukuthi aserve kwi-structures fana ne-Government of National Unity, because in his own reflection lokho sekuyibulala leyo political party. He made an example with how NFP died when Uzanele Magwaza Msibi was invited to serve as Deputy Minister of Science and Technology. Is that your view as well? Now that Sen 7 ANC ngeke nisakwazi ukuthi nibheke because nincenga ukuthi you are partners.
Hayi. Yabona ke lapho kwenye era ngoku. Aba bafana basebancane lapha. Na awuzongixelela ngento ye-struggle ne-history ye-politics yase-South Africa, because bendikhona from time immemorial as early as 1987. Ngo-1990 uJuju Noba ebene-9 years. So kukumahluko when we analyze the politics yase-South Africa. Apha zii-voters which said hambani niyenze i-coalition okanye inantsika i-GNU. Akho nto idibanisa nobani lo mama ubumbisa amagwaza. No. It's an understanding of politics kufuneka singayivumeli uba kumislidwe abantu. I-GNU ngowe-results zika-2024 elections. Even if honest, if siyayilandela ipolitiki, upresident we-EFF uconteste into yoba abe ngupresident phaa eparlamente, bephakanyiswe i-UDM. Wacontesta iposition yobuspika ephakanyiswa i-UDM. Ubephakanyiswa apho under the auspices the-results zika-2024. Apho beqale baxoxa ne-ANC bona beyi-EFF. Besithi nazi iposition abarhalela uba babazisebenzise. Mayiphele into yokuxokisa nomislead abantu. I don't subscribe to that kind of politics. Wawungenazo participate kwi-politics ze-GNU zokonyela upresident no-speaker if wawungayi-understand into yoba there is a paradigm shift kwi-politics yase-South Africa. I-paradigm shift ke yileyo yoba kwakungekho winner, kwathiwa masihambe sawuqala into yethu, and as a result of that wakwazi ke ngokuthi ufaka igama lakhe as president. Uspika uzawuchallenja uchairperson we-EFF uzawuchallenge uspika uDidiza. That means you embraced and you understood.
Yeah.
Into yoba kukho i-change. Omagwaza abangeni nix. You can't make an example era yomagwaza because the ANC win out.
Yeah, at the time. Yeah.
Next question.
Sure. It's 8. Okay. It's 18 minutes after 6. Bosanda kujoyina sikhuluma nobantu Holomisa ungu leader we UDM and Deputy Minister wa Defense and Military Veterans. Okay? It's your platform now. 0861596596. I'm taking my calls and nama mofisu prefer ukuthi ukhulume via Facebook page lithi Indaba with Alex, and you can watch the conversation live on Indaba with Alex on on TikTok. Indaba on Kakasi. Thiqala ke ngithathe uSanele Vilakazi from Imlazi. Sanele, welcome to Indaba.
Yebo, ngiyabonga ukuthi ngibingele wena ngoba uHolomisa.
Siyavuma nathi.
Yebo. Umbono wami la engithatha kube babuHolomisa angazi ukuthi kanjani. Ngibona ngathi abantu basiqedela umsebenzi eAfrika ibona baba uHolomisa. Manje neminyaka ewu70 usasebenza baningi eParliament bayasebenza. Kuba abanemali engaphezu kwa60. Kodwa umthetho South Africa uthoma singa60 or 65 fanele pensionini. Ngase khona bonke labantu abano65 nawo yak70 bephume ezikhundleni befaka abantu abasha ngade amathuba omsebenzi. Abasosheni nasemaphoyiseni awuthatha ukuthi ungaphezu kwa30. Kodwa bona bangaphezulu kwalokhuzane kwa 65 years. Baphethe lezo ikhundla lezo. Kodwa sezithuba bephume ezikhundleni isebenze nathi. Ngibona baphuma bona ikhundleni siwazi ukuthi sisebenze sini ngoba bavele imisebenzi eminingi eSouth Africa. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Imake ngimnika ichance ukuthi akuphendule. All right, Deputy Minister. He says ukuthi abantu abafana nawe at 70 you shouldn't be serving kuhulumeni because you ayithola ama opportunities.
Yeah, that's 39. Uyabona mfana wami uPresident uMandela wayena 72 ngexesha ngo1990 sanphazama ukhutha kwakhe. Waba ipresident ena 88 years or something like that. Onkosi Buthelezi and many other leaders. I take into ye age. Mina ne mistake yokucima fama umuntu xa ethwa unaye umncane. Therefore uclever ukogqitha abanye. Kukho lento okuthiwa i-experience. I come to oppose a generation mix. No. But in here, if we politics, i-constitution ayichuba xa una 60 una 70 you should not participate in politics. Sanuzane yenu i-version because izanudida nibancinci yakuva nje kwawuthetha kolwimi lakho uba awunangasiki. Yabona uThambo waba ipresident ye-ANC wazofika ko-70 over 70. If we are koButhelezi, if you are koBush, many others, kanufuna ukusebenzisa i-age ningena experience. You need a generation mix. Ayizukunceda nto lojonga aba bantu benu nithi bancinci ngoku naba besiyezijele besitya imali. So we have to make sure that xa sigqithisa i-baton siyinikeza umuntu omfitshane omncinci simgrumile uright. Yabona mna apha kwa-UDM andinangxaki ngomfana wam, ndingabhowusa ndingalala ubuthungo obumandi. Xa ndithi khwankwa khawuku-adress upresident uCyril Ramaphosa, khawubuza iquestion kuCyril Ramaphosa, uyamva nje kwaye ubetha kwe-language ukuthi yabona kuredi ngoku. Abanye basebenza nje into ye-age besenza ububhanxa bento engayaziyo. I'm sorry to use that term, but sustressa ngendaba ye-age. Mna xa kufike ithuba lam i-structure ze-UDM zathi hayi Jangela siyabulela awuyogoduka mbolima amaswini. You've bettered well during your innings. No. Sodibanisa yonke into lethina sikho kuloo level mfana wami. Sine-plan.
Yeah, uyayizwa leyo mpendulo Sanele?
Ngiyamuza ubaba indlela aphila ngayo. Vele inhle ngohambisana naye ngoba vele naye umuntu osemdala. Kodwa okubi ukuthi thina abantu abenza ngemuva kwabo zohlezi sixakekile, sithupekile ngoba bona bafuna ukunikeza amathuba. Iningi labo lilapha eParliament, iphinde libe namabhizinisi, inenkomo nayo yonke into. And into engabayenza bona bayahlangana nje abantu abamnyama ke belwela ukuthi nesithole umhlaba sole imayini kuthiwe nje ukuthi siqede nathi njengabantu abasha abazifuna abamnyama kodwa banandaba nathi indaba lezi zabo bodwana abasinaki nje thina indaba ezinje abayikhuluma benza ngathi le indaba labantu abasha kodwa banandaba nabo into benza ngemuva kwabo abanandaba nabo futhi jalisa nje abelungu kuyanisho noliko balikhuluma eParliament bonke bakuthi izingisi abakazi be-challenge ukuthi eParliament akhulunywe nje umongameli akevule eParliament ekhulume isiZulu nekhulume isiXhosa noma akhulume isiSuthu akwenzeki lokho abanandaba nje lokukhuluma nathi abantu abamnyama bafuna amavoti kuphela
mangase ngibuze nje wena Sanele unemnyama ngakho
okay
unemnyama ngakho
campaign yenu yokuthi nilwela nina thina kwa UDM sikliye ngoba sikhuluma abantu abatsha and I unfortunately akho shortcut kwinto leadership. Good night. Thank you very much.
It's 24 minutes after 6. I take uhalala Velakazi Machobeni. Halala ukwindaba.
Oh, msiyana, ngisesikhaweni.
Yes, siyakumukela Velakazi.
Ngiyaphila Sohlaza.
Siyaphila kunjani kwena?
Namhlanje Sohlaza uhoste ipolitician engiyihlonipha kakhulu like in the whole political sphere South Africa. Ayisiso politics engiyihlonipha njengaloyo. Kodwa umbuzo wami ula Sohlaza. Ngicela ukubuza lapha kubabulo Mr. There was a time whereby waye erana khona waye defense force yase Transvaal wayesa exist as an independent state. Wenza lapha yana ubaba leadership yakhe uyenza into enkulu futhi yayibalekile ngesikhathi lapha babona khona ukuthi ugovernment obahola ngaleso sikhathi ucorrupted bakwazi ukuthi bem-overthrow as i-defense force yes eyayihola uyena so ngibuka isimo esibuso njengamanje like ngisho lokhu njengoba ngibuka amavakhe izinto asezenzile like ngibuka isimo esibhekane naso njengamanje thina sine-defense force that is led by president. So umbuzo wami ukuthi like bona iyiphi lemithetho like yayi easy kanjani imithetho ababeyisebenzisa ngalesa sikhathi yakwazi ukubenza beze bekwazi uku-overthrow ugovernment ngenxa ye-corruption ayenza ngaleso sikhathi because mangibuka yazi into efana naleyo ke nathi mangathiwa like sine-defense force like elawulwa umuntu ongaphandle kwelokhuzana we-executive noma osuka e-office lika president singakwazi ukuthi like izinto kanye ngoba mangibuka like ama formation ama defense force umsebenzi wawo vele ukusivikela nokusivikela kuhulumeni uqobo so eSouth Africa thina kukanjani ukuthi sibe nombutho okumele usivikele kodwa manje olawula uyena upresident uqobo futhi.
Okay, all right, Janane.
No kuleyo ke udibanisi nezikademaniyo yayi period ye military government. This was into ye democratic government. So rules ke ngozi yohlukahlukana. Into ayibangela into bengathi ziyakhawuleza izinto. Into ba awuzuchitha ixesha uyodibana neparlament nentoni no so and so kwaku sesihamba shortcut. But I'm happy we are recognized about kukumahluko between the military government ne government ye democracy because ne gamel cool democracy eligama lethi consultant ikuthatha isikhathi kanti ke ku military amajoni aqede ukuthi le crime siyiphelisa ngolhlobo abantu abazapha bengena permission siyiphelisa ngolhlobo leni uyofuna uconsulta I process eninzi ile ibangela into bangoku sibe nenkinga eningi but andikho apho ke into ebalekileyo ndizama ukutsho kuwe ukuthi if akho decision ethethwayo you have to be decisive xa uyi-leader noba yi-military okanye uyi-democrat and so on. Xa sijongile apha whether uya kwamasipala uya kwi-provincial uya ku-national aba bantu aba bangene not ngokwe-capacity nange-merit uba bayakwazi umsebenzi. Unlike uJoni thina kwi-military government siyakuxelela siyaku-assess uba do you understand the planning cycle ye-state? Do you have a discipline? Into bangoku uzawuthi wapawintiwe uhambe uyofuna uba imali ye-state kodwa uphethe uyi-mayor, uyi-councillor, uyi-MP, kwa-military culture sidibane nezo zinto ezo mfana wami. So kwawufuneka ndidibane nawe siphunge ikofi ndikubonise uba nezinto zihamba kanjani. That's why thina ethi transition eTranskei engazange ibe ne-controversies kubulawa abantu ba-resist change. Sasi-clear uba kuyiwaphi. So you have to understand the terrain o-operator kuyo nosebenza kuyo uba what is the main objective. Xa ujonge into eziqhubeka ngoku ufumanisa uba ngoomatshanisane mana tata amatshanisa abantwana. Thank you very much. Ixesha lindishiyile.
Yeah. All right. Yes, Junene Bantu, in case you're wondering, it must have been 1989 when we leader military Tata over Transkei, 1989.
It came to the attention of the Transkei Defence Force that bribery and corruption was rife in government ranks in our country.
Right, Sekubeka 0861596596. Guest here to Deputy Minister Bantu Holomisa, Deputy Minister kwa Defence naga Military Veterans. I have Simpiwe Zibande Newlands. Ukwindaba sabona Simpiwe?
Oh yebo njani?
Siyaphila kunjani kona Zibande?
Ngikhona my brother ngikhona siyakhulu ngicela ukubingelela no general lapho emoyeni. No umbuzo wami la sohlaza uGeneral ubuza uthi seke sabona isikhathini lesisanda kudlula ambutho wethu ozokuvikela kade ungale emazweni eAfrika noma iKongo not and beyolekelela baphela now umunye oqala nje umbuzo bengizowubeka ukuthi how does he see the state of SANDF as opposed to normal benchmarker with other countries? Okay. And also yenake a person well vested and well colored, having those colors military in terms of experience and what he had gained. Yipi irole ayidlalayo ukomanda wethu kunoba kungasuka abafowethu beyolekelela baphele kangaka inhlavu akayidlali nganti role ye oversight and akayidlali nganti role yokuqala ahambele phambili to check environment and what not, because when uyibuka lento Alex and nabalaleli ukhona eminye imisakazo angazi noma ngayisho nemoyeni yaku TV eyiveza lezi zinto njengo Al Jazeera and what not. Okuvelayo la kuvela ngathi there was a gross negligence on our side. You understand that lot akuveli like ukuthi ngempela it was an ambush and what not, but kuvela sengazuthi kukhona lokhu kuyekelela nobudedengu ekwaba now. So mhlawumbe ke noma with that is to go
baba please make me amasizo lecturishwa ngalento umuntu makabuza question. I-problem apha msekazi yo xa ngaba i-AU okanye i-UN or i-SADC isithi masiyoncedisa eSouth whatever country, xa kufika lo requisition iye isiwe kupresident ayiseparlament and then i-approve okanye inga-approve, but uba i-approviwe ii-commanders ze-defence force kufuneka ibe zizo ezenza i-analysis zithumele abantu bokwenza le nto kuthiwa i-reconnoiter bawuhlola ngesixhosa uba le ndawo kuthiwa mabawusebenza kuyo injani, ihamba kanjani, and then babuye benze i-plan. That's what you call military planning cycle. Uba le ndawo kuthiwa makuyo deploya kuyo banjani abantu i-ready na equipment wise. That means select amajoni anjani azawuya phaa. Okwesibini i-equipment sinayo yowabhekisa. If abasinayo i-equipment kufuneka singa-mislead i-country no-president sithi hayi notwithstanding into yoba i-request yakho ithi but i-situation ayivumi because asina-equipment, asina-helicopters, asina-matroop atheni. ungaskusayine nje uaccept into. So uze uphendule lo mbuzo lo ufuneka ube kanti i-analysis yenziwe. So ndiyathemba ke noko ndikuphendule mhlekazi. So in other words funeka i-capacity yamajoni ozawathumela pha i-right, i-equipment i-right, then uye ku-president uthi Mr. President asikwazi ukuthumela aba bantu because kukho le ngxaki. Uba ngaba upresident akayifumani i-advice enjengaleyo uboyazi uba una-commanders ibhadle apha entloko. Thank you.
Hayi siyabonga soqondisweni siyabonga.
All right, sure. Ngiyakubafana Dlamini ekhethe reach ukwindaba 0861596596. The conversation uzoyithola isiphelele as a podcast moya ku app yeGagasi, and we are streaming it live as well on Indaba on TikTok. Bafana ukwindaba sawona?
Kakhulu Alex nakwifamily sakho.
Sure, siyavuma nathi.
Alex, I'm noticing ukuthi ugeneral kodwa la arrogant.
Yeah, when are you arrogant?
The whole was for him to answer my questions esilawo as citizen. Kuno bhuti ofonile ekuqaleni. General replied and said, "Lo muntu ukhuluma language yakhe angazi noma ngafundisanga yini inhlonipho kule language yakhe." That for me that's discrimination. Number two,
that's a compliment about the arrogant. Now you are arrogant.
But General
Thank you. Bye-bye. Now you're talking nonsense. You are talking nonsense.
We don't need these people like station because they can't answer our questions, but we voted for them to be there.
Yeah, you didn't vote for me, so don't take lies.
No, we never ever vote for you, General.
Yeah, thank you very much. Don't vote for me. Go to hell.
Please, can we have proper people to answer an account? Not this member of parliament that can't even account and be arrogant.
Yeah, sorry, General, I know you have to respond as well because we are Ateka, but you just used a line at "go to hell." I'm going to ask you to retract that particular phrase.
I'm not going to do that. If you are not satisfied, go to hell now.
Oh,
sound protect now.
No, but the party uthi must go to hell. Remember now, usu deputy minister, akakuvotelanga, but uyilida yakhe nonetheless, General.
Uyakuxelela nje ukuthi akayolida yami akangavotele mina kwaye umyeka wena gezele mina.
I'm pretty disappointed that we have leaders like you, General. That is why we have issues at Goma. That is why we have issues in our borders, because we've got people like you.
All right, no, let's do this then. Yeah, okay, sure. Let me release you. Deputy Minister, let me release you then. We will not continue with this conversation anymore, but we thank you for having been with us for the past 30 minutes. We will not continue with you. So, siyabonga for the time osinikeze yona. General Bantu Holomisa, Deputy Minister waga Defense and Military Veterans, and leader we UDM. Indaba on Gagasi, he does say that I should have protected him, but it's in the culture of this show. We do it all the time. I mean, we allow them as leaders to come so that they account to the public, and emotional or not, but the party would go to hell. That's the line. I mean, if arrogant, he responded by saying, when you are arrogant, but it got into, don't lie, you are not my, you didn't vote for me, but it's not palatable for someone occupying a position as a deputy minister to use the phrase go to hell. Asibambela conversation yet, but I'm still interested in how you thought he responded, or maybe you thought Utumlalele was being unfair to him. I would like to hear you.